Today we're going to explore the Admin Tool Manager in Brisk Teaching. I love all that you now have at your fingertips, but let's first explore how you get there, and then we'll go into all of the capabilities you now have. Remember, Brisk will work wherever you do. In this case, I have Brisk available right over top of a Google Doc. All I need to do is click on Brisk, and to get to the Admin Tool Manager, I'm next going to click Create, and now I can select Manage Tools. You'll know if you have admin access because you'll see a banner here that says Customize Brisk Tools. Once we click Manage Tools, it'll open up to our dashboard. And again, you'll see all of the tools available. Now, once you're here, you can always go in and you can decide which tools you think you'd like available and which you might want to hide. You may choose you want all of these tools and more. So let's explore. To edit any of these tools, all I need to do is select the three dots. I can easily unpublish, or I can click edit and I can hide the tool or make it visible. I can also try the tool to see if it's going to be applicable to our staff. My favorite feature here though is the ability to create a new tool. So this new tool will allow us to customize the experience and make it really unique just to our own specific school or district. Let's go ahead and click Create New Tool. Once here, you'll see I can toggle on or off the ability to attach education standards or to allow users to select a grade level. I'm going to name my tool, create a purpose for it, and of course, provide a prompt. I've created a tool called the Sentence Starter. Ultimately, what we want this tool to do is to create a series of sentence frames and sentence starters that will help students express their understanding. Before I click Publish, I can always go ahead and try the tool. Let's give it a try to see if any fine-tuning is needed. Now that our library pops up again, you'll now see I have Sentence Starter. It does show as unpublished right now. I'm going to click it, and now I can see there is the opportunity to provide a prompt. Again, I can attach standards. I can also adjust my grade level, and of course, even explore my own prompt history. I'm going to go ahead and Brisk it. So as you can see, Brisk generated all types of sentence starters that I can take and use. Now, of course, I can be more specific to make sure it's really tied in with my standards, my learning objectives, and of course, my unique students. If I'm happy with this tool, I can go ahead and publish, but of course, I can always do some fine tuning however I need. I'm going to click Publish Now. And you'll see now under my tools, you'll see Sentence Starter. So this will now also appear for teachers. Maybe I want to select another new tool to create. I'm going to create a second tool. Okay, I've now created a second tool, and this one is the project-based learning guide. Now in this case, I'm not going to publish, but I am going to save it so that you can see what it looks like if you have a saved tool. Let's click Save. So now under my Unpublished Tools section, you will see that tool, and I can always come in and edit it. I also want to show you what that looks like if you were to open Brisk on your end again. So again, I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to click on Brisk. I'm going to select Create. And again, you'll still see that banner there because you have admin access. And then down below where it says school specific tools, any of the tools that you create and publish, they will show here. Now for educators across your school or district, they'll also see any tools that are published, and that will tell them these are customized tools just for them. If you scroll below, you'll see any of the other Brisk tools that are available, but anything that you've hidden or removed will no longer show. If I decide to come back to that other tool that is unpublished, I can always click the three dots and now select Publish. And that will now publish my tool, and that will also now show under My Tools. I just love the fact that there are so many ways that you can customize the Brisk experience for staff across your school or district. And my favorite part is the fact that you can create any new tool of choice to really make that experience robust. We're excited to hear about the new tools you create and how you leverage the power of Brisk Teaching.